Some faceless YouTube channels publish high-quality animated videos every single day, while others struggle for a full week to finish just one. The difference is not luck, it's automation. This video demonstrates a modern production pipeline that turns written stories into fully animated videos with consistent characters and cinematic motion. Open ChatGPT and send prompt 1 to write short children's story. Once the story is ready, ask ChatGPT to format it into 20 scenes. Each scene should include narration text, visual description, camera perspective suggestion. Once complete, send the next prompt and proceed to extract scene image prompts only. Next, instruct ChatGPT to generate Disney-Pixar style character design prompts based on the story. Each character prompt must clearly describe clothing details, personality, body posture, environmental context. These character prompts will be used to produce consistent visual character reference images. Open Whisk, enter the character prompts, and generate the main reference characters. These images serve as visual models that ensure character consistency throughout the animation pipeline. Once generated, download all character references. These reference files will be used again during scene generation. Now send the next prompt and request the same list of scene image prompts again, but this time include the characters that appear in each scene. This means ChatGPT will return each image prompt with the appropriate characters included for that specific scene. Now the next step is to generate the scene images using reference character uploads. Normally you would open Whisk, enter each prompt, upload the reference character images, generate the image, and then download the result. This process becomes repetitive and tedious, so we will use automation to speed it up. Install the Whisk Automator Chrome extension to handle bulk scene prompt processing, automatic downloading. Open the Whisk Automator interface and paste scene prompts. Attach the corresponding reference character images for each prompt to ensure consistent character appearance across all scenes. Repeat this for every scene prompt. After that, apply the settings to all prompts. Then select Generate. Whisk Automator will produce all scene images automatically. No manual copy-paste required. After the images are generated, review all outputs and delete any unnecessary images. If any images are not matching the intended scene or characters, delete those as well. For every mismatched image, regenerate that specific scene only until it meets the required visual criteria. The next step is to create animated videos using the generated images. To animate these images, we must first generate animation prompts. To do this, copy paste the camera movement text and send the corresponding prompt to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then return animation prompts for each scene, which can be used to animate the images. To animate the images, you can use Flow with VEO3 or KlingAI. For Flow, use the Flow Automator extension. For KlingAI, use the KlingGen extension. These extensions automate the image-to-video creation process. First, add the extension to your browser and log in. Next, upload the generated scene images and paste the animation prompt for each scene. After everything is set, start the generation process. The extension will produce the videos and download them automatically for you. Now that the videos are complete, the next step is to generate the voiceover. Open studio.google.com and use the text-to-speech tool. Paste the story narration into the voice generator. Select a suitable storytelling voice. Generate and download the final narration audio file. Finally, import the narration audio and animated clips into a video editor such as CapCut or any preferred software. Align the clips with the narration, adjust timing, export the finished video once everything is synchronized and complete. With this pipeline, you can turn simple text story into fully animated 3D stories with consistent characters and smooth motion, fast and efficiently. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. All resources linked in the description.